Hey guys, make a slime with me. This slime is me closing my eyes to make it. Let's close my eyes. Okay guys, this is adding clear glue. Pour some water in. Activator. Fishbowl beads. Oh, I think this one's the fishbowl. We're gonna stir everything together. Let's choose a color blindfolded. Ooh, that black. This isn't quite a fishbowl. Let's choose a color now. Let's choose a second decoration now. Closing my eyes. What's that one? Oh, looks like it's unicorns. Here's my finished product slime. It's not my favorite. Thanks for watching.